This video is the continuation of the lesson for class 7th for the subject of chemistry, topic characteristics of chemical change, which is covered in chapter 2, physical and chemical changes, and is being submitted to you on 10th May 2021. So students, in the second audio or video, we will discuss that how we will know that a chemical change has taken place. So there are some steps are given through which you may observe that the chemical changes are taking place. A chemical change is usually accompanied by number 1, change in color. When you will heat the raw mango that is in green color, after heating it will become ripe mango which is of yellow color. So changes in color showing a chemical change. Similarly, when you will heat the white color sugar, it will get converted into black color charcoal. So this is also showing the change in color which is accompanied the chemical change. Now the second is the evolution of gas. So in the second characteristics, when you will heat the zinc with dilute hydrochloric acid, the zinc chloride with the liberation of hydrogen gas will produce. So any gas, by the evolution of gas taking place, it is also showing the chemical change. So here in the diagram you may observe that in the test tube we have taken the dilute sulfuric acid and zinc. When you will add these two reactant, it will form the gas bubbles and the hydrogen gas is evolved, which is also showing the chemical change. Third one is energy is released or absorbed in the form of heat, light and sound. When you will crack the crackers, after burning, the boom sound will produce and also the heat and light energy will also produce. So it is also showing the chemical change. Burning of crackers is also a chemical change. And chemical change is called a chemical reaction when reactant is known as original substance, whereas new substance is known as product. Reactant on chemical change will give products. When you will heat the calcium oxide and water, which is reactant, calcium oxide is also known as quicklime, it will give the new substance which is calcium hydroxide and the heat energy which is also known as a product. This equation you may observe by the diagram which is drawn on the page number 6 of the notes, which is sent on 10th May 2021. Here we have taken the beaker. In this the quicklime, which is a calcium oxide, is mixed with the water. So calcium oxide and the water is a reactant. After reacting them, the beaker becomes hot because heat energy is released. So this is also showing the chemical change. Then now we will discuss that the burning of candle shows both physical and chemical change. How? Here on the page number 6 we have drawn the diagram of candle. So we will discuss its physical change and chemical change. So physical change, what is a physical change? Some wax, it is showing here in the diagram, melts and turns into liquid state. It flows down, cools and again solidifies. This is a physical change. And what is the chemical change? When the molten wax vaporizes and burns with the flame. That is showing the chemical change. On heating the wax, it will produce carbon dioxide plus water, that the new substance are formed. Here in the chemical change, in the burning of candle, it is showing that the carbon dioxide is an evolution of gases taking place, so it is a chemical change. Students, now I will ask you three very short questions. You will get a 3 minutes break to write the answers. So the questions are, question number 1, give an example of permanent or irreversible changes. Question number 2, rusted nails are dash to magnet. And the last question number 3 is, which gas is produced by heating of wax? Now pause this audio for 3 minutes and write the answers in your chemistry notebook. I hope you all have written the answers by now. Let us check the answers now. So answer number 1 is ripening of mango. Answer number 2 is not attracted. And the last answer number 3 is carbon dioxide. Students, now I am ending the lesson for today by giving instructions and homework. So instructions are, you all are required to listen the audio again and revise or learn all the topics which we have done today. And homework is, do question number 1 to 9 of exercise given on page number 25 of your book. Thank you and have a nice day.